Do you want free money? Well, guess what? Power School is being sued and you can get some compensation. Let me slow my horses. Let me relax. Let me give you a little bit of background. Let's break down Q.J v Power School LLC. So what is Power School LLC? Maybe you know it, maybe you don't. It's in the name, it's used for schools. Power School is a bigger company with a lot of smaller companies with a subsection named Naviance. What is Naviance? Naviance is a cloud-based college and career platform used by millions of students across the United States. They handle your college applications, career research, and school transcripts. It was acquired by Power School back in 2021. So here's the core of the lawsuit, the core allegations. This class action lawsuit is filed with the accusations that Power School and its co-defendants violated major privacy laws. The plaintiffs argued that Naviance embedded hidden third-party tracking software and cookies from companies like Google, Microsoft, Hotjar, and Heap directly into the student platform. The suit alleged that the software intercepted highly sensitive and confidential student information. That includes like your names, your school ID, your demographic, who you are, graduation years, and even student survey responses without the knowledge of consent of students or their parents. In court, the attorneys argued that the internal data tracking amounted to unlawful digital wiretapping and eavesdropping. So those are some pretty big cases under laws like the Electronic Communications Privacy Act and various state privacy acts. Whoo, bro, they are under some fire, man. I feel like the whole United States has all our information already. I'm pretty sure me just being in school already has the government with my full shit, you know? I mean, the government literally knows everything. I just can't believe, like, it's just in our school. I guess that's why they take photos for the yearbook, right? But just to clarify, this is all internal. This isn't like a data breach with hackers. This is all internal, so you don't gotta worry about your information being in the dark web, maybe. It's just given to their third-party co-conspirators. Power School and their co-defendants pleaded not guilty. They're firm on that, of any wrongdoing, and maintain that they did not violate any state or federal privacy laws. Power School, being a major corp like they are, instead of fighting a massive multi-year-long legal battle, the defendants chose to settle the case for $17,250,000. In addition to the fine, Power School has agreed to a 2-year ban on using specific third-party analytics code on the student platform and will establish a web governance committee to review future technologies. They're basically on probation. Nothing really. That was basically a slap on the wrist. I mean, being a major corp like them, they have the leeway. Holy shit, Dembele just scored a banger. Not part of the video, but this France team looks insane. So that's some background onto the legal battle. Now, let's get on to some real questions. A real question you guys are all waiting for. Who qualifies for a payout? These are the requirements. There's not really many. It's a broad requirement. You must live in the United States and must have logged into Naviance between August 18, 2021 and January 23, 2026. And now that you know that you qualified, your other big question is, how much money do I get? The attorney suggested payout is around $50. However, the final amount depends on how many people sign up. So this is kind of a niche little thing right here between us. You can sign up and maybe get a little more bread if, you know, I could do you a little favor. Okay, now you know you qualify. Now you're ready. What do you do? How do you file a claim? I'm gonna tell you guys step by step. First thing you should do is go to your school email. Your school email really shouldn't be that packed, so it could be in one of the first ones. I got a second one recently, but there should be a first one sent months ago. It should have the title Legal Notice of Class Action Settlement. Click on it and it should have your name and your class ID number. If you don't have that email, click on the link in the description below and it should take you in the link that's inside the email. Click on the link, click another link. I think it's gonna take you to this form. While you're answering the form, it should probably ask you the email that is associated with the Naviance account. So just put in your school email, the school email that you got the settlement email from. I will want to say the deadline is July 27, 2026 of this year. I'm getting this out before July 10th or July 11th. The final approval hearing will be August 19th of this year. The judge will meet 9 a.m. Pacific time in Chicago to officially approve the settlements, after which payouts will be processed. A little before school or a little after school. I'm happy with that. So that's all you need to know about the legal stuff. Now it's time for some closing statements. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe and leave a like and comment below what you're gonna do with those $50 minimum, maybe more. And yeah, Turtle Boy out.